So this is the Dellorto carburetor that I disassembled the other day, and due to the fact that it was full of like oily and very kind of greasy, I decided that I wanted to give them a clean with just water and just washing up liquid, and now I just left it to marinate for a little bit in this kind of hot tank that used to be an ultrasonic cleaner but it broke. I'm going to do a little video on ultrasonic cleaners, how they work better for carbs or not. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what it looks like inside the ultrasonic cleaner whilst it's marinating. So there it is in all its glory. So we're going to leave it for 2 or 3 hours at about 60 degrees, as it says there. And then once it reaches temperature, and it's going to be cleaned up a little bit more, and then it's ready to go on the ultrasonic cleaner for some ultrasonic cleaning. Okay, so as I was telling you, this is the ultrasonic cleaner. It's quite a large one, and that is because I like to kind of spread out my parts, although other sizes are available. The thing that I do to clean parts, especially if it is jets or auxiliary venturis, I just put them in straight petrol or gasoline if you are in America, watching from America land, or motion lotion, I mean whatever you want to call it. And the reason why I do this is because petrol, gasoline is a really good solvent. Obviously the reason I put them in glass canisters is that so I don't mix the petrol with the water. The ultrasonic cleaners always have to have water in them. You can't run them dry because if not they'll break. The other thing that I don't do with ultrasonic cleaners is this one has the facility to heat the water as well as the ultrasonic. I never use that. I have a separate hot tank because I think the heating detracts from the ultrasonic power, so I never use them both together. I mean, if push comes to shove, I guess you can always heat the water first, then let it stop for a while, and then you can carry on. I guess you could do that, but I generally don't bother. And the other thing is that the machine, when the machine stops, the maximum cycle is about 30 minutes. I never use 30 minutes. I generally use 20 minutes, and I let it rest for a while, and then I just carry on. And I think that's quite important to preserve and to get the most life out of these machines. And also I'll show you here, I've got this, which is the top bit of the carb, just dunking straight petrol because of the state it was in. And the main body of the carb, I've got it in a little tub, but this is just with water though for the time being. I'll see if I need to dunk it in petrol. Needs must sometimes. So I'll put it for another session and I'll see how it goes.